In 3, 2, 1. Are we gonna make it? Is this gonna hurt? Oh, we could try this and date it, but that never works. I start to imagine a world where we don't collide. It's making me sick, but we'll heal and the sun will rise. If you tell me you're leaving, and I'll make it easy, it'll be okay. If we can't stop them bleeding, we don't have to fix it, we don't have to stay. I will love you either way. Ooh, it'll be okay. Ooh. Oh, the future we dreamed of is fading to black. And no, there's nothing more painful, there's nothing more painful. And I start to imagine a world where we don't collide. It's making me sick, but we'll heal and the sun will rise. If you tell me you're leaving, and I'll make it easy, it'll be okay. If we can't stop them bleeding, we don't have to fix it, we don't have to stay. I will love you either way. Ooh, it'll be okay. Ooh, and I will love you either way. It might be so sweet, it might be so bitter. I will love you either way. It might be so sweet, it might be so bitter. No, if the future we dreamed of is fading to black, I will love you either way. Ooh, it'll be okay. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for It'll Be Okay by Shawn Mendes on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And my analytics show me that over 70% of you that watch these videos and come back and watch more videos have not hit that subscribe button. So make sure to double check down below. Make sure you've hit that red subscribe button. It will turn gray and you can join the Uke fam. It is free, so make sure to click that red subscribe button. Also, we're getting a lot closer to 100,000 subscribers. So if you can, please make sure to double check. Tell your granny, tell your cousin, tell your dog to subscribe as well. Let's get closer to 100,000. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you're playing in this video? Well, this is a tenor size Kumu ukulele. I'll leave a link in the description below. It is a thin-bodied uke with a bam built-in pickup, so you can change the effects right on this uke. Again, I'll leave a link down below where you can shop all their ukes. They also do have the Leilani series, which they also have my signature uke series in, so make sure to go check that out. And if you want to save some money, because it is after the holidays and you're like, hey, I want to get a uke, but I also want to save some money, make sure to use code Ricky10 at checkout and you'll save an automatic $10 off when you shop on their website. So again, that is Ricky10. you'll save $10 off your entire purchase. You're welcome. Also talking about links in the description, links to the merch. Currently have the Uke Fam hoodie on if you do want to support this channel. Also links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM letting me know what video you came from. And also if you do have any song requests or any concerns or whatever, you just want to tell me a joke or something good that happened to you today, leave them in the comments below. I love reading them, and it also does help boost this video out in the YouTube world. So please make sure to thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. Again, I love reading them and listening to your song recommendations, and maybe, just maybe, the next video might be your song that you requested. So make sure to do that stuff down below. But that is it for me. I love you. I hate to leave you, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.